This question has been taken from IBPS PO 2014 exam. In this question, there are two statements. S is greater than H, is greater than or equal to T, is less than or equal to C. That is the first statement. The second statement is Y is greater than T, is greater than N. Now we have to make a grid of these two statements and then verify the four conclusions that are given, whether the four conclusions are true or not. Let us see the working. Now this problem, we have been given two statements. S is greater than H, is greater than or equal to T, is less than or equal to C, and another statement is Y is greater than T and T is greater than or equal to N. Now this is one statement, this is another statement. We have to incorporate this second statement into this first statement and make it a grid. Then only we will be able to solve the problem and arrive at the truthfulness or otherwise of the conclusions. Now here, which element is here common between these two statements? T is common. So we have to write, incorporate Y is greater than T. Y is greater than T and T is greater than or equal to N. Now we have incorporated this second statement into the first statement. Now we can remove the second statement. Now we will check up whether these conclusions are true from this grid we have made. Now let us look at H and Y. Where is H? H is here, Y is here. Now we have to form a single statement connecting H and Y. We will write a single statement. H is greater than T, is less than Y. Now H and Y in the conclusion is in the same order, therefore we need not realign. But when we look at the statement H is greater than or equal to T, less than or is equal to Y, then there is conflict of symbols. Opposing symbols are there, therefore conclusion 1 does not follow. Let us look at conclusion 2. Conclusion 2, S and C are the elements. Where is S? S is here, C is here. So we have to compare the symbols in between. Now there is no grid or anything like that, it's just straight statements. But between S and C, if you look carefully, they are opposing symbols. You look here, they are opposing symbols. Therefore, this conclusion is wrong. Now let us go to the third conclusion. C is equal to Y. Let us remove all these things, all these markings, so that we will not make a confusion. C is, where is C? C is here. Where is Y? Y is here. Now we have to write a single statement connecting Y and C. Y is greater than T, is less than or equal to C. This is the single statement. Now it starts from Y and ends with C. Here the connecting link is C is equal to Y. Therefore we have to reorder the conclusion. Y is equal to C. Now between these two, Y and C, the symbols are greater than, opposing symbols are there. Therefore again no conclusion is possible. So third conclusion is also false. That leaves us to the fourth conclusion. At this point, I suggest you pause the video and try for yourself whether the fourth conclusion is true or not as per the given statement. Then we will verify whether your answer is correct. I hope you have worked out the answer. Let us see the answer for conclusion 4. Conclusion 4 says the elements in conclusion are C and N. C is here, N is here. So we have to make a single statement. Let us make a single statement. N is less than or equal to T is less than or equal to C. I have written this in a single statement form, that's all. Now we have to compare. Now the order here is N and C, here it is C and N, therefore we have to realign the conclusion. The conclusion must be realigned as N is less than or equal to C. This is what we have to verify. Now let us verify from this conclusion. The elements are N and C, here also N and C. Now what are the symbols in between? Less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Therefore N less than or equal to C is correct. Therefore the only conclusion that is correct for the given statement is conclusion 4. Let us see the answer slide. The answer for question number 4 is option D. Only conclusion 4 is true for the given statement. Now let us go to the next question.